Okay, so edging installation. Pretty simple. You need a number 5 Allen. In this case, you know, some kind of extension, and then either a little ratchet. Your Allen keys will probably have a little 90 degree. So, and those are absolutely fine to use. Alright, righty tighty, lefty loosey, of course. Crack it loose. We just go through each bolt, crack each one loose. Maybe. Alright. There we go. And as you can see, everything's starting to kind of loosen up now. The way I like to do it is take off the ends first. Alright. So from the bottom side, it's bolt and washer.
Oh, nice.
On the top side, so we'll hold this guy up, take this one out. This way we don't bend the blue bar as we're doing this. And you can see we got our little serrated metal washers, and they go on the side in between the press plate and the blue edging. So to remove this, it's pretty easy. Grab this guy, peel it off. Now the new one, you're going to have a little bit of a divot upward. That goes up, and then the fatter side of the green edging is going to go on the top side, so as you can see here. So fatter side faces up, and then it's just slide the new one on. And new stuff's going to be a little stiff. Right, we've got it there. Take our little serrated washers, put these back in place. Grab our center bolt. Oops. And then we just kind of feel for the hole.
I think we should be